the boss baby. Even Super Saiyan is with me. Let's watch this video again. Last time you can't dance and no one's calling your phone.
You can't dance, so I can really dance, I promise.
Who the Sigma is that? Why are you dancing like that?
What makes you the boss? I'm the boss. People already know I'm the boss. Next question, please. This guy's old. I don't even
Did you just say this Gazzo?
understand what you can do with these videos sometimes. I don't know how you do it when you have all that jacket stuff on you and all those Gucci shoes. I really like that.
I really
Gucci shoe.
hate that. I really hate that.
Because then I fly. And I fly too. Are you from Kentucky? What's that like?
Bro, does she look like she's from Kentucky? She's definitely Asian.
Oh my God. What is she? Oh.
I mean, African.
You went on a horse before? Next question, please. I can get it.
Go answer him. You're so ugly.
Okay. So. Man, stop.
I'm not calling your phone, 4-year-old.
Bro, what is this girl roasting?
Stop.
What is this girl roasting, bro?
Nobody's calling
Mia?
your
I'm recording this.
Nobody's calling your phone.
Yeah. Oh.